What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Good morning, everybody. Day 2, working on the 240 and the 240 engine. My little single cam slammer, a little slam action. I have to go to the parts store today to go get some gaskets so I could put it all back together, and then I should be close to dropping it back in that bad boy. Join me, shall you? Little recap from yesterday. You saw that I took off the throttle body, intake manifold, off the engine. Now, like I said, today I just gotta wait for some gaskets to come in and we'll be able to put it all back together. I gotta clean all this stuff up though, for sure. There's the old gasket right there. Still just taking off the little leftover nonsense that's all everywhere, I guess. After this is all clean, we'll be good on this, and I'll be able to work on throttle body and the engine. Took one side off of the gaskets. It's all nice and clean. Still got this guy to do, and then after that, then I'll clean up this guy right here. And then underneath, there's another. Oh, that's not too bad on this guy. It all went towards the other side. So that'll be easy cleaning. Not bad, not bad. It's coming down together pretty good. Right now it's lunchtime though. Time to go grub.
Did you show off this?
What? Oh no! Tell me all about it. What it is? What's going down? I don't know what it is either.
Our neighbors were having a yard sale. There was like a bunch of junk, and we saw this. Picked it up for 45 bucks. It's not working that well, but it's a pretty damn cool drill press. It's an old one.
That's definitely super old.
It folds up.
Shopsmith. Whatever it does, we'll put it to use one day.
Yeah, we'll fix it, rebuild it.
Make it bigger, faster, stronger.
Put a Binford 6400 motor in there.
Dang. Let's go grub. Back at the shop, all grubbed up, ready to tackle this engine. Unfortunately, the stuff I needed from the parts store, they had to order it, so I had to go back later. But for now, I'll finish doing that. Alright, all cleaned up, looking pretty good. Nice and clean. Everything's ready for the new gasket. And just about ready to put on, but I gotta make sure to get some JB weld, because you gotta do it right there. Throw some JB weld in there, or if you want to weld it yourself, plug it up, but that needs to be plugged up or else you'll have pretty good air leak. And at the same time, I also cleaned up the rest of the stuff for it. Cleaned up the throttle body. That's all ready to go on. This is all ready to go, all cleaned up. I blocked it off, so once I put it on the lift's over there. Once I put it on the lift, I'm gonna degrease it all and it'll be a lot better looking. And then I'm also going to repaint my valve cover on this side. The same thing, blocked it off so I could spray it all down and clean it all up. And there's all the pieces, everything to be taken off. So now I just gotta wait and go to the parts store and get my JB weld, my gaskets, and some engine degreaser, and I think that's it. Alright, so my parts came in. Got the gaskets, some JB weld. Next up, what I want to do is we want to plug this guy up right here. So I got the JB weld. Just gotta mix it up and then slap it in. It kind of looks like I gotta shove it in there. Smells, that's for sure. So there it is. Right now I'm just gonna let it dry overnight. I threw all the JB weld inside so I could plug it up. That's where the butterfly flaps were. Put that little guy in there because there is a hole, so I just plugged it up again. And then here is the block off plate. And on that note, I'm gonna end the video right here. Not too sure how long it is right now, but it's pretty productive. Tore down the engine. Tomorrow I'll put it all back together, hopefully. And yeah, let's see what the shipwreck's doing.
Here's what you saw.
I know.
Let's try to clean it up.
So I hope you enjoy this episode, and I'll see you next time. Woohoo!